TikTok, how to go live. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can go live on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to go live on TikTok, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open the TikTok app. And the very first thing you want to make sure is that in order to be able to go live on TikTok, you need to have at least over 1,000 followers. So if you don't have over 1,000 followers, you will not be able to go live on TikTok. So once you make sure that you have over 1,000 followers, tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen here and then allow the access. Once you've done that, in my case you can only see camera and templates, but if you're someone who has 1,000 followers, you'll be able to see one more section over here known as live. Only if you're eligible you'll be able to see the live option, unlike me who haven't reached the following criteria. If you do have, then you should be able to find that option. If you haven't reached 1,000 followers, you will not be able to find that option. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.